All right, this is a 2011 BMW E90 335D M-sport. This is going to be a quick walkthrough over some of the features and the condition. This is an M-sport, has the M-sport rear bumper, sport version with the gray in the middle of it is the giveaway. Here's the trunk, nothing special. That's my camera bag. This car has no accidents. Everything works on it. The emblems are still fresh on it. All the paint meter readings are all even. Okay. The person who owned this car didn't have any dogs or kids or any mess like that, so the back is like brand new. So this has aluminum trim on it, which is pretty difficult to find. Most of it's the wood trim, which looks really dated and gross. This has the M steering wheel as well, with the perforations. The iDrive, AC. You'll see a little bit of marking here on the soft touch. But besides that, all the leather, see the bolster, everything looks really good. The 335Ds had the M sills here, M pedals, different wheels on them. Let's see, this has the original floor mats that are still nice. This car has 88,000 miles. Headliner, which is pretty sweet on these cars. This is actually my second one of these, and these cars are really neat because they're very fast and they still have great economy, 38 miles a gallon on long highway trips. This is a 6-cylinder 3.0 twin turbo, really torquey engine. Yeah, everything works. All the maintenance has been done, air filter, oil filter, fuel filter. The lines on these get brittle, so these were replaced with silicone lines that should last pretty much indefinitely. We'll do a quick start up here. So there's no codes. Car starts and drives just fine. Check out the outside. Yeah, like I said, this car has all standard paint meter readings. There's no body work done at all. The wheels have tiny scratches in them. I don't know if they're quite curbs, but they could be pretty easily fixed. The rear has new Falcons and the front has some Nankang garbage on them, but that can be replaced easily. Yeah, there's not a lot of scratches or anything on the car. The front's a little dirty, but all the lights work, everything is working on here. Yeah, there weren't a lot of these imported to North America. And these really do look like a sports car. The regular 335Ds are kind of ugly. Yeah, there you have it. 335D M-sport. 88,000 miles.